Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti alla puntata numero 30 di Electric Motor News. In questi minuti dedicati al mondo dei veicoli ecologici vedremo la Kia sul EV che ha fatto una gara, tra virgolette, con un treno in Inghilterra. Vedremo anche uno stupendo rally della Norvegia. Come sapete, Norvegia è il paese con maggior densità di veicoli elettrici al mondo. E per festeggiare l'anniversario del club di veicoli elettrici della Norvegia è stato organizzato un rally con delle stupende immagini in quel bellissimo paese del nord Europa. Vedremo anche un servizio con Nissan e Bruno Mattucci, che è l'amministratore delegato di Nissan Italia, racconta l'andamento del mercato e racconta come sta andando anche il settore del veicolo elettrico, che come sapete con Leaf è leader Nissan nel settore appunto dei veicoli elettrici. E infine abbiamo fatto una prova su strada, le impressioni di guida della Porsche Cayenne ibrida. Ma iniziamo subito allora con questo servizio, come vi avevo detto inizialmente, con la Kia Motors, che ha fatto una gara, tra virgolette, da castello a castello in Inghilterra, e l'avversario era un treno elettrico. Vediamo.
This is the Kia Soul EV, and today we're going to take it out of its comfort zone. We're going to take it from York to Carlisle. Now that's around 122 miles, and we're going to travel across the Pennines. People say it can't be done, but to prove them wrong, we're going to race an electric train in a zero emissions race. This is Glenn. He's taking the electric train, and he thinks he's going to beat me in the car. You've no chance.
Well, think about it. I'm going to be at the station, I'm going to get on the train, I'm going to sit there, I'm going to relax, I'm not going to stop to recharge, and not the pressure of driving either.
Yeah, but public transport never works. Come on, I'm going to beat you. I'm in a car.
What I'd do is give it your best shot.
All right.
And I'll see you when we get there.
That's it, we're off. We've got to do this, we've got to beat Glenn, or I'll never hear the end of it. Tell you what, minutes are passing, still in York City Centre. Glenn should probably be at the train, he should have run by the train station now, and I'm still in congestion. These A roads are so congested I'm coming off them, but I have a plan. The great thing about these B roads is they're less congested. There's no traffic on them, there's less chance of roadworks as well. We will make time up on these, and Glenn's not going to expect us to take this sort of shortcut. Tell you what, that's the main train line north. Oh, if that's Glen, we're in big trouble. We're well behind. Time for a quick charge before we go over the Pennines. Here we go. Let's give him a ring and see where he is.
Simon, how are you?
Glenn, how you doing? You alright?
I'm very well, thank you.
Good, good. Where in the world are you?
Now I'm in Edinburgh, and I've just found my train.
Edinburgh? What are you doing in Scotland?
You said I have to do it all electric, so this is the only route through. But I'm still going to beat you. There's no two ways about it. I'm still going to win.
Glenn, you're in a different country, mate. We're on fast charge at the minute, and this is going to take 20 odd minutes to fast charge this. We're across the Pennines and you are beat.
We'll see, won't we? Because my train leaves in about 14 minutes.
You've no chance. See you later, loser. Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's that race one. Glenn hasn't got a chance. I'm getting a coffee. Really am starting to enjoy this Kia Soul. It has a claimed economy of 132 miles. Now, that's not bad, but on an independent test, This car has done 146 on one electric charge. That is quite something. This EV model is heavier than the standard car, but you know what? It really is good fun. Press the accelerator and there's instant torque. You can just launch the car out of bends. Do you know what? Even down these cobbles, the ride is really good. And I think we're going to beat this electric train. Here we go. We're only a couple of miles away from Carlisle. This is getting close. The good thing is, we've got 31 miles left of range, so we're going to get there easy. We just don't know where he is. There's the castle. Oh, is Glenn there? And we're on the wrong side. Oh, how are we going to get there? Oh my, Glenn's not there. He's not there yet. We need to get across there somehow.
Please visit nearest charging station.
Roundabout happy days. Come on, come on. Where is he? Where's Glenn? Yes! Told you the electric car would win. Where is he? Where have you been?
Had a few problems with public transport.
Told you. Told you when.
Well done.